So, AAP MLA Naresh Balyan has been sent to 2 days police custody. Naresh Balyan was arrested hours earlier in an extortion case and with the charges of extortion that he was directing, in fact, some of the gangsters to extort from a builder and more. Now, the crime branch officials also had said that one of the reasons was because he wasn't cooperating in initial investigation and questioning that was being done. But Aam Aadmi Party is charging at the BJP and government at the centre over this. Shreya Chatterjee is joining me for the latest. Shreya, 2 days police custody. What will be on agenda here for the cops?
Well, the primary reason why the custody was sought by the Delhi police was actually to first corroborate the audio clip in concern between allegedly Kapil Sangwan and Naresh Balyan, subsequently for which he was again called in. Then he was arrested by the Delhi police. Apart from that, the Delhi police wants to investigate the network of Kapil Sangwan as well. That's actually running from India right now, because remember, Kapil Sangwan is a fugitive. He's now in London. He's run away from the country. And Delhi police also requires the collection of the audio sample to actually corroborate through FSL the audio clip in concern. So far as the hearing in the court is concerned, the Aam Aadmi Party opposed the arrest, suggesting that it is a political arrest, and the case is dated more than 1.5 years back, and the audio was in public domain. But why did the Delhi police arrest him now? But so far as Delhi police is concerned, they say that they collected the audio only yesterday, after which he was called in, and because Naresh Balyan was uncooperative, he was arrested by the Delhi police, and now he's been sent for 2 days police custody to Delhi police crime branch.
So another Aam Aadmi Party legislator currently in custody over extortion charges, this time a charge they deny. However, this has turned into a showdown as well, but investigation and the case legally will be proceeded. Thank you very much for now, and Shreya will be tracking the latest on this.